Hello and hoping a very good day to our viewer. Before proceeding to our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the thumbs up so that we could be motivated to make more of this educational video in the future. Have you ever wondered that an island can be formed from a volcano eruption? Well, that might sound unfamiliar, yet interesting, right? In fact, one of the most visited and serene countries in the world, Japan, is an island nation that was created from volcanic eruption, dating back as far as 15 million years ago. What? To understand more on how Japan and many other islands come into its origin, let me introduce you to how island can be formed from a volcanic eruption. Firstly, what is an island? An island or isle is any piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. Islands may occur in oceans, seas, lakes, or rivers. A group of islands is called an archipelago. There are many types of island formations, but for this video, we shall focus to the volcanic islands. For volcanic island, there are three types of them. The first one is subductions. Subduction is a geological process that takes place at convergent boundary of tectonic plates where one plate moves under another. Another type of volcanic islands is oceanic rift, where two tectonic plates that are moving away from each other to produce gaps that molten lava rise to fill. Lastly, volcanic hotspot is an area in the mantle from which heat rises as a thermal plume from deep in the earth. As the tectonic plate move over the stationary hotspot, the volcanoes are rafted away and the new ones form in their new place. Moving on to our next segment, which is from volcano to island. Here we are going to take a look on how an island that was formed from a hotspot. For those who wonder, yes, hotspot is a type of volcano. Magma, formed by melting of the mantle at the edge of the hotspot, rise from the base at the plate through cracks and fissures. Erupted lava is quenched by cold water, forming pillow basalt. When the lava meets the water, explosion happens due to the temperature contrast. Island will be formed on the surface of the sea. Before establishing a stable island, it will have to go through erosion by the waves, landslides, and it can even vanish. The volcano builds with repeated cycles of constructions and collapse. This process takes a long time. Hotspot lies beneath the Pacific plate, where it maintains a relatively fixed position within the mantle. The overlying Pacific plate moved to the northwest at the tectonically rapid rate of 8.5 centimeters per year, or in the US Imperial System, 3 inches per year. The chain of island is created as the northwest motion of the plate eventually carries each island away from the hotspots. One of the significant examples for volcanic island is the state of Hawaii, located in the middle of Pacific Oceans. Hawaii is a part of the United States of America. So what is so special about Hawaii? Let's explore. The state of Hawaii is so unique as it is located thousands of kilometers from the nearest plate boundary, but it is volcanically active and geologically very young. What is more surprising is the Hawaiian Islands are the surface expressions of a mental hotspot. For instance, the Hawaiian hotspot has been active for at least 80 million years, based on the age of the oldest islands, the islands of Kauai. Moreover, the youngest islands are currently over the hotspots and still volcanically active, whereas the older, extinct islands reveal the track of oceanic crust moving over the hotspot. When an island is formed, surrounding environment or ecosystem could undergo tremendous transformation over the years. Now, let's analyze its effect to the environment. Firstly, volcanic eruptions can be extremely damaging to the environment, particularly because of a number of toxic gases possibly present in pyroclastic materials. It typically consists mainly of water vapor, but it also contains carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gas. Other gases typically found in volcanic ashes are hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, carbon monoxide, and numerous volatile metal chlorides. To make the matter worse, carbon dioxide emitted from volcanoes add to the natural greenhouse effect. Sulfur dioxides cause environmental problems because they are converted to sulfuric acid in the stratosphere, the main cause of acid rain. Furthermore, sulfate aerosols are formed. Last but not least, we genuinely hope that this video could make you understand and appreciate more the creations of islands and what stories it lays behind. Thank you for staying with us and stay tuned for more videos in the future.